Got something else in from LMC Truck today. This is for the bump side, 67 to 72 Ford pickups. I'll put the part number in the description, but this is a dash pad cover in red. It looks super nice. I'm gonna head into the truck and get this set up. All right, I'm gonna use this included moist towelette and let it dry off. That's a hot dash. I recently cleaned this anyways, so it's gonna be fine. Ah, you know what? There we go. They included some Velcro. That's nice. I wasn't expecting that. Little decal dash designs. Looks like you could easily cut that tag, but we'll just keep it. So it does cover up what I've got here in my bump side in my pickup, that middle plate. But we've got cutouts for those defrost vents. I'm gonna just use this box and cut up a handful of little 1/2, 3/4 inch strips. Right in the middle, 2. Well, there we go. There's the little dash designs tag. Nice cover, it really dresses it up, looks good. Look all the way through here. Gotta replace the windshield next, that crack grew. Looks really nice. Thanks for watching.